In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 504 gateway timeout in WordPress. One common reason this error appears is that PHP, which helps your WordPress site run in the background, doesn't have enough memory available to complete a request. When that happens, the server can take too long to respond, and that may trigger a 504 gateway timeout error. A simple fix is to increase the PHP memory limit inside your WordPress configuration file. To do this, access your WordPress site files using your hosting file manager or an FTP tool, and locate the file named wp-config.php. This file is one of the core configuration files for your website, so take a moment to be careful while editing it. It's always a good idea to create a backup before making changes, just in case you need to restore the previous version. Once you open wp-config.php, look for a suitable place to add the memory settings. Then insert these two lines exactly as shown. Define WP memory limit 256 M. Define WP max memory limit 512 M. The first line increases the standard memory available to WordPress, while the second raises the maximum memory limit that can be used in more demanding situations, such as admin tasks, updates, or resource-heavy plugins. In many cases, giving WordPress more memory helps prevent processes from stalling or timing out. After adding the code, save the file and upload it again if you're using FTP. Then go back to your website and test the page that was showing the 504 error. You should also check your WordPress dashboard if the issue was happening there, because memory-related problems can affect both the front end and the admin area. If the error improves or disappears, that's a good sign that PHP memory was the cause. If you still see the timeout, at least you've ruled out one of the most common WordPress-related causes, and you can continue troubleshooting from there. One important note is that some hosting providers enforce their own memory caps at the server level. So even if you add these values to wp-config.php, the server may not allow WordPress to use the full amount. Still, this is one of the quickest and safest changes to try, and it often helps on busy or plugin heavy sites. That's how to increase the PHP memory limit in WordPress to help fix a 504